Good morning, students. I am Rameshwari, JL History, TTWRJC, Girls Narsapur, Medak District. Today's class, the age of Shatavahanas. Shatavahana period as an important topic in first chapter. We look into the following topic in this class: introduction, sources, geographical area, political history, early and later Shatavahanas. Next, also with this we will study administration, economy, society, religion, language and literature, art and architecture, finally the conclusion. Let's start from the introduction of Shatavahanas. The age of Shatavahana marks the beginning of historical period in Telangana. It is considered as the first political dynasty that provided stable rule for a long period over large part of the Deccan region, contributed for social, economical and cultural field. Even before Shatavahanas comes to political province, the Andhra country, which includes the present state of Telangana and also Andhra Pradesh, was ruled over principalities by the many kings and built 30 fortified towns as the mention in the text of Megasthenes and Pliny. During the time of imperial Mauryans, these principalities enjoyed with the considerable energy. The Andhra under the Srimukha was such a family who remained as the subordinate under Mauryans. Srimukha belonged to Andhra Jati race of Shatavahanas clan. Hence the rule of Shatavahanas beginning in the Deccan Plateau with the capital of Kotilingala. The next sources of Shatavahana, as the mentioned by the Megasthenes, Kotilingala was the one of the 30 fortified towns. A good number of coins preached Shatavahana kings like Ranasamagopa, Gobhadra, Narana, etc. were obtained from the Kotilingala. The Puranas like Matsya and Vayu provide a long list of the 30 kings known as the Andhra Bhrutyas. Kalidasa's Malavika Agnimitram, Halas Gadashaptasati also give some account of Shatavahana's kings. About 25 lithic inscription directly by the Shatavahana's king, which is scattered all over the Deccan, also provides substantial information regarding the contribution of this family. Up to now, we studied and gone through the sources. Introduction. Now we will look into the geographical area to Shatavahana period. Shatavahana kingdoms included Malwa, Kutch, Saurashtra, Telangana, Andhra and southern plains and Gangetic Valley during the rule of kingdom. Malwa, Saurashtra, southern Gangetic valleys, Karnataka, Andhra and Tamil Nadu. Southern plains of the Gangetic Valley during its rule, even the kingdom extended up to Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Next, political history. The political history Shatavahana is divided into two phases: early Shatavahana, later Shatavahanas. Political history. In political history of early Shatavahanas, we will come across and study many kings and their prosperity of kingship like Srimukha, Krishna, Shatakarni and Pulamavi, etc. The early Shatavahanas ruled from 271 BCE to 114 CE. Now students, we will start from Srimukha. Srimukha, 271 BCE. The first ruler of early Shatavahana begins from time of Srimukha. He unified or gathered various Andhra principalities and became its rule in 271 BCE. He accepted the suzerainty of Mauryans. His reforms made like Kotilingala in Karimnagar as his first capital, later shifted to Pratishtanapura. Pratishtanapura or Paitan now is located Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. The Nanagad inscription portrays the figure of Srimukha and also students the recently discovered coins of Kotilingala named as Chimukha, which has been ascribed to Srimukha, and Srimukha's ruled 23 years. Next, Krishna. Krishna 248 BCE. Srimukha was succeeded by younger brother Krishna, also known as Kanha inscription in 248 BCE. He ruled nearly 18 years. He was first to issue inscriptions. Krishna. His inscription at Nasik caves refers to the scoping of a cave of Buddhist and appointed an officer called Mahamantra in charge of monks at Nasik, and officer called Mahamantra in charge of monks at Nasik. Shatakarni. Shatakarni. Krishna was succeeded by Shatakarni I, the son of Srimukha. He was the famous among Shatavahana rulers. Now, in detail, we will study further about Shatakarni I and Shatakarni II, also Pulamavi, in next class. Also, we look into second phase of later Shatavahanas also. Thank you, students. Hope you all understand today's topic.